Hello, welcome back again. We're gonna be doing this live today. Start like sharing a little bit what we see in the chart price action, and of course what we expect to happen regarding the Bitcoin price. So welcome everyone, welcome back again. Was my last course, so I am back in action. We're gonna be sharing what is happening in the charts. We are gonna be drawing some trend lines. We are gonna be watching what is going on. Very soon back. welcome everyone. Welcome. How are you doing? We are gonna be analyzing what is happening today with the Bitcoin price again. Of course, we are live back. We are live back. I showed you guys what I'm expecting before. I'm gonna show you what I'm expecting now. Nothing is changing. Everything back in the plan how I mentioned before, and we are going to the chart to see what is happening right here right now regarding the Bitcoin price. As far as you can see right here, I'm gonna be showing what I expect right now. You have to hold the support line always on the downside. This is the major support for many reasons I'm gonna be also explaining shortly. Guys, in case you have any kind of questions, please just leave them in the chat. I'm gonna be analyzing as far as I see what you're actually wondering about. I'm gonna be showing you what is happening in the charts. Please don't forget to scroll down, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and please press this like button. Cost literally nothing from your time. It's just a click. Since you're here, it's just a click for you. It's literally nothing difficult. Okay, so in case I have any kind of issues with the microphone, please let me know, because I have changed some settings. I hope everything is fine with the microphone. Okay, give me your feedback in case you are wondering about something. Okay, so let's go directly to the charts to see what is happening right now. Okay, for everyone who is joining, welcome. If you are new, welcome, and if you are coming for another time inside this live video, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching, and let's go directly to the charts to see what is happening right now. Okay, so let's go to see what is happening right now. So right here to the chart, as you can see, by far we have a beautiful channel. You can trade this channel with many ways. Okay, so let's speak about this. Let's see how we can trade this channel. Okay, there are multiple ways to trade the channel. You can trade it, in case you are a day trader, you can trade it inside the channel. In case you are a swing trader, you can find for entries in case we break to the upper side or the downside. Depends what you feel that is the best. And of course, you can literally make insane gains even if you're trading inside the channel. We are going to be explaining how you guys can trade inside the channel right now. So the thing you can do, in case you are a day trader, okay, and you are constantly trading 5 to 15 minute time frames right here, you can actually clone this kind of trend lines that I have been creating, okay, and put them closer to what the support and the resistance is. Okay, so what you're doing basically is the fact that you are creating a channel that is inside your bigger channel. Okay, so by doing this, you are actually creating new entries and new exits. You can long and short all the time without any kind of issues. So by this, with this way, you are easily finding support and resistances, okay, long and shorts, by trading the inside of this channel. So this means your stop loss, in case you are finding that this channel exists from this level, okay, let's say you find that this one start trading from this level, so this up and down, okay, you start trading from this level, because until now you didn't have any kind of clue if you reached up here, okay. So let's say you're coming to enter a short trade to approximately this level, because you see that this breaks to the downside, okay, we broke to the downside right here. So when we are breaking to the downside right here, okay, you enter a short trade that you believe that is going to the downside, to the downside of this channel. So what you do is, by cloning this side, you are taking all the way up, okay, to this level, and then you are trading from here to here, okay. So you don't try to find the downside, you try to find this line, okay. So you are extending this one, and you are trading not here, but inside. So by this you have many points to watch. So you have this point to watch, you have this point to watch, you have this point to watch. So from here you are shorting, from here you are longing. So if you short from here and you long from here, you have so many successful trades. So you have one successful trade that starts from here and up here. You have one long trade that starts from here and end up here, okay. You have one trade that starts from here and end up here. You have one long trade that starts from here and end up here, okay. So you have many trades that you are constantly winning, okay. So by winning all these kind of levels, winning, let's say you are shorting from this level to reach this level, okay, and this level never comes, you have lost technically one trade out of 4 trades. So this is how a day trader is working with price action, by finding this kind of trades and trading not to the whole channel, but take the short trades. The short trades are between this area. The short trades are not between this area, because you don't know if you're going to reach this kind of levels, okay. You don't know about it. Look at this, we came down here but we didn't come down here, okay. So here we touched 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, I don't know how many times here, 6 times here, and you are searching for the 7th. The same to the upper side. We touched 1 time to this line, 2 times to this line, 3 times to this line, 4 times, 5 times. So what you should see is that you have as many points to watch as possible, so you can trade in between. If you are trading with a 10 leverage, okay, let's take it from this side, okay. If you are trading with this one, this is 3.8%. 3.8% is 38% every time you trade, okay. So next time here, 26% if you are trading with 10 leverage. From here to here, 3%. So this means 30% every time you trade. So by you using the same amount of money, the same margin, okay, and trading to the upside and the downside all the time, long and shorts, you can constantly make so much money by just sitting in your chair, okay. And this is about education. This is about clear education. So if you guys start trading within the channel and you know what you are doing by trading either patterns or price action, then you can make a ton of money easily. Okay, so it's really easy to trade inside the channel if you know what you are doing. Okay, so please be careful and never do things that you are going to regret for. Okay, so you see something as an entry, good. You see something as an exit, good. You don't have any kind of clue what you are doing, stop trading. Okay, if you don't have any kind of clue on what is going to happen, don't trade. You will regret it 100%. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being here today. Hello guys, welcome to the chat. It's a live stream. We can just calm down a little bit, of course, and relax, enjoy the day, the TA. Thank you so much for everything. Yeah, I think Christopher has kind of issues. As far as I know, he's in Portugal and he has some kind of they have a fire going on around his place. So he's following us. Thank you so much, man, for being here. I wish you the best, and I wish everything will go good with your home. So let's guys enjoy a little bit the TA. Let's go back to the chart and see what is happening right here. Hello to all the new guys that they are watching right now, and welcome back if you have been to our channel watching our work and what we are doing. So what is the case right now and how we should trade this one? Okay, we have to see right here, guys, that we have been breaking this support line. What is going to happen most likely, and what I'm expecting here as a swing trader I am. Okay, I am trying to find entries. Why I'm trying to find entries right here? I all-time trade because I don't have so much time. Okay, because I don't have so much time, I'm always trading on swing trades. I mean, most of the times I do sometimes scalping, but it's good if you decide what kind of trader you want to be. So I am a swing trader, so that's why I'm all the time trying to find entries, and in case we are in an uptrend or a downtrend, I am finding, okay, the point either to enter or exit in higher time frames. So these time frames are helping me, the small time frames are helping me to find out what I want to do regarding my entries. Okay, so what I want to do is to technically enter, okay, as much as I can with certainty. Okay, so I am coming here and I am saying that the two levels to watch right now, they should be after we break the neckline of this M pattern, okay, because I have already an open trade, okay, and after we broke this resistance, this support line for once more, I am trying to find entries after confirmation here, okay, some kind of confirmation here, and count this side of the M pattern that has been folding in case it's breaking down. So this one is taking us all the way down to the 43,500. By the way, in case the support line is gonna break to the downside, then I am out of trade. So the trade that I have here, okay, on Bybit open right here, as you can see, is on minus both BTC and Ethereum right now, but I don't care. Why? If guys, you see right here, this specific trade, my entry, as I mentioned many times before, is coming to the 43,800. This is where I have ready my next opening, okay, for the trade is down here. So why? It's very clear. I am expecting that we are gonna come and bounce on this support for once more, okay. If I wanted to have a dollar cost entry, even better, I can easily start entering by splitting, okay, this is swing high and swing low. I'm going to split it equal ways with Fibonacci extension. So I'm coming here, as far as you can see, this is taking us to the 43,750, is exactly the level I am planning to enter, okay. The previous level is the 44,238. So I'm also watching this one. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna add also one more horizontal line right here, okay. This is the level that is not only Fibonacci level right here that I see, the 44,233 is the previous also support that we should come and bounce most likely. So by using this swing high that I actually added right here, okay, I can easily understand that if I'm gonna clone this one, let's take this out from the middle. If I'm gonna clone this one, this specific level, I'm going to adjust it right here, is going to most likely be the level that you, if you should start shorting from this moment, is going to be your take profit. So if you are shorting from the 45,389 down here, this is your take profit area, okay. So this is what you should watch. You should be careful right here, this level. This is what you should watch. This is your take profit area, Okay, this is not financial advice. If you know how to trade, good for you. I hope, guys, you know what you're doing, and I'm very happy for this. I'm just showing things that I am doing in case I was about to short in this area. So you will tell me now. So we go all the way down right here. The thing is, there's no volume. There's no volume in the whole freaking chart. So if you are going, let's say, to the 1 hour chart right here, you see that the volume is constantly falling and falling and falling, and we literally have nothing here that is showing any kind of average true range clue. So we don't even know when this is going to give us a bounce either on the upper side or the downside. So it's a little bit difficult to understand right now what is going to happen in the chart. Is this an entry point in case you are longing? Maybe this is an entry point, but because I have entered from before, I have entered to the 44,920. I wish this level would be my entry price, but I am not closing my trade right here. I'm doing dollar cost entry, so I'm gonna do it at dollar cost entry, as I mentioned, to the 43,800. This is the level I am watching. Okay, I set it as an order already. And then you will ask me what is happening in case this breaks to the downside. I'm going to tell you, this one is most likely a bull flag. The bull flag is consisted by the pole, the flagpole, and the flag. Okay, so the flag is technically a descending Brownian wedge, a pennant, okay, or a descending channel, okay, that is most likely a bullish pattern. So what I have to the chart right here, okay, I have higher highs and higher lows. If this is going to break to the downside, it's going to be a lower low regarding this level. So a lower low regarding this level is technically bearish. Okay, so I wouldn't trade this. I wouldn't stay in this trade in case we are breaking this channel to the downside and creating a lower low, because this one is a bearish pattern. Okay, if we create a lower low, the only thing is missing is a higher low. A higher low creates a channel that is bearish, and this means that we can technically not just come and support this line that is the basic resistance line, but we can easily have a massive fake out on the weekly chart and go all the way down. And this is not going to take us just to the 35,000 or 30,000. It's going to take us most likely to the 23,000. So the one thing brings the other. Okay, so I'm not saying that we are bearish right now. I'm not saying this thing. That's why I'm trying to enter a long trade. I'm trying to enter a long trade because I am bullish in this price action. So why? I have higher highs, I have higher lows. So that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that this one will most likely going to break. Why? If I'm gonna go to the 4-hour chart, I see long time ago bullish divergence coming in. This doesn't have so much space to go left. Okay, there's no so much space that we should see coming down here, okay, and confirming, because we have to confirm somehow with one way or another, and we have to come and break this bearish short divergence that we have right here. We create another triangle that has to break to the upper side. Okay, I have some lightning and thunder right here, so maybe if I'm gonna have an interruption regarding my electricity, you will most likely not going to experience the whole live show. Okay, so I'm gonna be trading and explaining what is happening right now to the chart. We had a kinda fake out right here, and now we break to the downside again once more. Okay, so what I told you before to the previous live 1.5 2 hours ago or something like that, that I suggest you to not enter if you haven't done this already from the 44,700. Why? I said to you that I don't care in case we are breaking. My entry was at 44,900. We have been approximately to the 45,800, and I said that this can easily come in reverse, and this is what happened. Okay, so in case you have any kind of questions regarding this and how I have seen that this could easily reverse, it was first of all the fact that we didn't have any kind of volume, okay, and second of all the major resistance inside the channel that I explained. So most of the times this doesn't reach up here, it doesn't reach in the downside either. It constantly comes many times to get rejected over here. And also we had this support level to watch, that instead of this, okay, instead of this breaking and reversing back, it actually came out for a while and then it faked out to the downside. This was the major fake out that we wouldn't like to see. Okay, so that's the reason I said to you that we can easily go all the way down, and this was a fake out. So it was a fake out, and this is going down once more, and that's a bad signal. I don't like it, many people don't like it. It is what it is, and we have to deal with it. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you will like this little stream. So let's watch what is happening right now to the charts. If there are any issues, just let me know what is happening from your side. I see people would like to see Ethereum right now. We're going to be analyzing Ethereum as well. So last things we should see regarding Bitcoin price. I have two entries right now. The 44,237 is one entry. It's smaller than my bigger entry, the 43,820. Okay, I'm gonna be also sharing. My trade. Okay, what is my plan? How I am watching things, and of course you will see also how I am placing my orders. So what I'm going to share, let's go back to the chart. What I wanted to show you is that how I actually fixed my trade, so it's ready. So let's go and check right now what is happening regarding the Bybit open trade and how I am going to dollar cost entry this thing. Okay, so as you can see right here, my entries, okay, my entries are at the 44,286 and 43,850. This is $1,700 entry, and this is $7,000 entry. Okay, so this is the position I have right now, $3,473. It's not that much. Okay, well, how is this going to play out? The thing is, as I mentioned before, I don't care if I am losing right here. Why? Because I have an open trade that I'm not going to lose something I cannot afford. I don't care about this, okay? I just want to secure a kind of entry in any kind of price level right here, because by going back to the chart, okay, I see that I am expecting this to break out, and I want to make a secure a privilege right here inside the channel, okay, and break in case this breaks to the upper side. I want to be inside. Why I believe that this is going up? I believe that this is going up because, first of all, this is a downtrend on a descending broadening wedge that is going to break to the upper side most likely because it has 70% chance. We have bullish divergence as I explained before. I have a bull flag to watch in case we break to the upper side. Okay, so in case this breaks to the upper side, dollar cost exit, and I am coming right here to secure my profits with dollar cost exit. Dollar cost entry, dollar cost exit right there. Okay, so this is what I'm trading right now. Where is my stop loss going? In case we break this to the downside, I explain perfectly that I am closing my trade under this trend line in case we are creating on the 4-hour chart a breakdown and a confirmation that shows that first of all we are outside of this descending channel, and also we are creating a lower low in case this goes under here. In case this goes under here and it closes a 4-hour time frame and confirming, then it's technically a lost trade. I close it and I go to sleep. So please stop doing kamikaze trades, putting all your money down here, because it doesn't make any sense. You have done it, I have done it. Don't do the same mistakes. I spent a lot of money in the past doing this kind of stupid trades. Okay, so there is no way we close a 4-hour chart, a 4-hour candlestick under here, and I'm remaining in this kind of position. I'm trading 4-hour time frame. So this is what I'm saying to you. In case the 4-hour candlestick is closing down, and of course it returns and confirms, then I'm going out of this trade. Okay, to be clean and clear, crystal clear regarding this trade. Okay, let's go back here. We said we are going to be analyzing the Ethereum, and yes, we're going to be doing. So, what is happening regarding the Ethereum? This was a bad way to start this day. It broke to the downside, not so much to say, creating a lower low right here. It's not a nice one, and we should hold this one so it can confirm technically that this has been a fake out, because the next level to watch is this support line, and if this is going to break as well, then just walk away. It's plain and simple. If we are going to see this trend line breaking, is the major support, and if this is going to break, then walk away, plain and simple. Stop trying to believe that we are going up after this breaks. Okay, plain and simple, Elliott waves playing out here. Okay, and let's share this. Okay, this is the Elliott waves we have right here playing out. This is the higher high, this one or this one. This is double top as far as I see right here. Okay, so what we have, we have to decide if this one or this one is higher high. Let's see how this small kind of difference can be a major trouble. Okay, so this is the higher high. As far as I see, this is the higher high. Okay, so we have to take it from here. Since this one was a higher high and this is a lower high, okay, this is how we should see this trade playing out. This is the wave A, okay, this is the wave A right here, and this is the wave B. We have to see if the C wave is accomplished or not. How we can find this is pretty much simple, okay, regarding this kind of pattern, the Elliott wave pattern. So what you are doing to find out the wave C, okay, is by using the Fibonacci retracement, okay, from the wave A to 5, okay, taking the whole Fibonacci extension and adjusting to the wave B, so you can find out if the wave C is accomplished. And this is not accomplished because the 1.618 is taking us all the way down to 2,915. This is technically from level B. After level B is confirmed, the key for our accomplishment of this kind of trade. So this trade should come here to get filled. Okay, this is the level we should watch. The 2,912 is the level that you should watch, and if it's going to be accomplished, this means that we don't have a lower low comparing to the wave 2, and of course a lower low regarding the higher low right here. Okay, so we are in a good way in case we come to touch the 2,112. So the 2,112, since I am a trader and does swing trades and is trying to find an entry right now, since I believe that we are in a bull trend, then I'm gonna set my order to the approximately 2,926. This is the level I am going to watch right now, so I can understand that I have a very nice and strong entry in this kind of scenario. I hope you guys appreciate this, and please just press this like button. It really costs you nothing. We have 2 likes. Such a pity. We should have some more. Since you are guys watching right now, just press this like button. Thank you so much. It takes nothing from your time, and by actually watching this very nice chart, we also get very nice information regarding the TA, and I hope you enjoy the content. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much as well, guys, for you being here. I hope your analysis on ETH helped you out a little bit. So I set up my price targets, and of course I'm setting up my trades. As far as you can see right here, I'm in a small minus, but I don't really care. I set up my trades, they are ready right here. Okay, this is the dollar cost entry I'm doing. You can see perfectly what is happening, how am I trading in this case right here. Okay, so I'm going to be changing also to Ethereum, so you can see how I set up. I have like $922 an entry right here. This is what I'm going to do to you can see, as far as I see, this should go no, this is the entry I have right now. So my next entry is to the 2900 and 2960, and this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm planning to do regarding this small trade. Okay, but all the eyes are going on BTC for me. It's like a small trade, I don't care that much for the Ethereum price. I'm going to trade most likely to the Bitcoin price right now, and I'm going back to watch the chart as it is. So this is actually consolidating in this moment we are speaking right now. It broke to the downside, but is not sure what is going to happen right here. Okay, the fact that we have been consolidating in a period of time doesn't mean bearishness. Okay, it doesn't mean that that was all and we go all the way down. We have to see things that they are taking us all the way down. Okay, so as I mentioned before, we should see these places breaking to the downside and of course creating lower lows under this line. Okay, so as you can see right here, I said to you and I explained perfectly that if I'm going to see 4-hour time frame playing out under this line right here as well, I'm gonna start thinking of quitting, first of all, this trade, and also the fact that we are going up in general. Why not down here? Why not down here? By creating lower lows, it doesn't make so much sense. Okay, and because we have experienced in the past things happening regarding the 50 weekly moving average by bouncing over there, as you can see on the BLX chart. Okay, as you can see on the BLX chart, I'm going to be analyzing this as well. Let's go right here, let's open the moving average. Okay, closing the MA ribbon, and by setting this, closing the rest of the moving averages. Okay, and by keeping the 50, cleaning up the chart a little bit, sorry for the mess right here. Okay, we see that we had a bounce on the 50 weekly moving average. Okay, so by jumping and bouncing over the 50 weekly moving average, most of the times when we have bouncing over the weekly moving average, the trend was bearish. Okay, so even this one here broke to the upper side. It doesn't mean that we pumped for new all-time highs. We bounced on the 50 weekly moving average, the trend was negative. Okay, so same happened here, bounce on the weekly moving average, boom, down. Okay, the way back you can see and analyze right here, bounce on the weekly moving average, boom, down. So no new all-time highs. These things we should be careful. Okay, every time we see something like this, every time we bounce to the 50 weekly moving average, the things are not looking great. So technically it's going to be the first time in case we are bouncing on the 50 weekly moving average and go all the way up. Okay, so this is bearish news. Technically this is bearish news, and we should start thinking also about it, because we have bounced over this one, but we need to see a kind of higher low, okay, on the weekly moving average. That's why I said I want to see at least 2 candlesticks closing above this line. So I want to be sure that this thing is going up. This thing has to go up. Otherwise, if we are waiting again to come and kind of being bullish even after we break this green line here, then things are not looking great, because you are coming again to confirm that you are not staying over the 50 weekly moving average. If we are breaking to the downside of the 50 weekly moving average, the things are not looking great at all. Okay, I don't say that I am bearish. I say that this thing has to continue breaking local highs. Okay, this is something we should watch. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can just let me know. Okay, so what I want to see is this one going all the way up and break new local highs, making higher highs and higher lows. I don't want to see this breaking to the downside. Okay, plain and clear. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see what is happening right here. So this broke to the downside and it was pretty normal. We had here an uptrend, so this can easily be a bear flag, okay, that is taking us all the way down. This is also a scenario that is touching the 42,330. Does it mean I'm gonna do a dollar cost entry right here? No, I am staying to my first plan. If this trade comes right here, I am out. I am out of this trade, okay, in case we are coming under 43,000. I am out. This is my stop loss. Right here is my stop loss. Why? Because we broke this channel. Everything goes down. If we are going to confirm, then we are falling. I'm waiting for a new entry, but not right here, because I want to see how the price action will play out. You have to be patient in case you want to do a nice trade. You have to be patient and stop pressing the buttons as a swing trader until you see things turning clear. Okay, please do this home. Stop trading things that you cannot handle. So let's go back to the chart. As you can see right here, this broke to the downside. This means that we are watching carefully that this neckline is actually broken right now. Technically, we are going to meet this kind of levels. So this means that what I'm sharing right now is the fact that I am trying to find new entries right here. Okay, as far as you can see in my Bybit small trade, I am expecting that I'm going to share, as far as you can see right here. Okay, I have an open trade order to the $1,737. I have at the 44,286. This is the first entry. The second entry, $43,857 trade. It is a small trade. I can handle it. I don't mind to be in minus right now, and my stop loss is going to be, as far as I told you, under this resistance line in case we are breaking a 4-hour time frame candlestick under this line. Thanks so much guys for watching. In case everyone is here and didn't smash the like button, please just do it. Takes nothing from your time. Also I wanted to show what is happening in case we are breaking to the upper side after this kind of move. This means, as I said before, that this is technically a bull flag that I am measuring. Okay, and the price level I'm watching is this green area right here. So in case this breaks to the upper side, I'm constantly under this area, start taking profits. Okay, this is what I am watching, and this is what I'm expecting in case we break to the upper side. For this to happen, we need a 4-hour candlestick breaking to the upper side on this level, and another one confirming with volume this time, so we can reach this kind of levels. By this way, we are creating a new local high and a new higher high regarding these levels, and also a higher low. So this is what you should trade. In case you are a professional trader, you should see this one happening with price action by creating higher highs and higher lows. We are in a bull trend. In this case, we are technically in a bull trend. So I want to see this coming around here. I'm trying to find my entries. We are all the way up in case this breaks with a 4-hour candlestick on the top. Hope you guys appreciate the content. Please like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this live stream. I'm gonna be trying to do this as often as I can so I can share my TA, and I hope you guys enjoyed what I shared today.